Hello, good evening. Good evening, Yundong. Hello. Hello. No. Hole. This one. Hello. Hello also. Good evening, Yundong, and welcome again to our class. How are you today? I think you don't have a microphone. Teacher can't hear you. How are you today? Are you happy today? Are you sad? Are you angry? How are you today? Okay, I will teacher will wait for you, okay? Because I can't hear you. Teacher can't see and hear you. What? What? Happy. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good that you are happy. But why can't teacher see you? I cannot see you or I cannot hear you. Can you say hello? Can you speak? Oh, yes. Hello, hello, Yundo. Wow, you are eating right now. Okay, it's nice to see you again, Yundong. Are you ready for our lesson for today?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So for our lesson today, so we will have Unit 2, which is all about art class. Art class.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So we will talk about art class. Uni. What is that? Okay, so unit 1. Wow, very good. You are writing unit 2. Okay, so for today's lesson, we will have our lesson 1, which is all about art supplies. Art
You did that.
No? Okay, let's say art supplies.
Để đọc kìa. Art supplies.
Oh,
Art
you're
supplies.
okay, very good. So when we say art supplies, Yundong, so these are the things that we use to make arts. Oh, why did you draw a crying? Okay, so when we say art supplies, these are the things that we use to make art. So that will be the focus of our lesson for today. So now let's move on to our next page and let's listen to um, our art supplies here.
Page 12. Unit 2. Art Class. Lesson 1. Art Supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Paint,
2,
paper,
3,
chalk,
4,
Very good.
yarn,
Art,
5,
glue,
glue,
6,
tape,
tape. Okay, so that are our examples for the art supplies that we use. So let's go first with the first art supplies. Let's say or let's read paint. Paint, paint, paint.
Pen. Pen.
O-
Pen.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next, paper.
Paper.
paper, paper, paper.
Paper. Paper. Game.
Okay, very good. Next, let's say chalk, 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 chalk.
Chuck. 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 Chuck.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next, yarn, 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 yarn.
Yeah. Yarn. Yarn.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Next is glue, 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 glue.
Good. Good. Good.
Okay, very good. Next is tape, 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 tape,
Tape.
tape,
Tape.
tape.
Tape. Tape.
Okay, very good. Good job. So that is the examples of the art supplies that we will learn for today. So now, let's move on to our next page. Okay, this one. So what art supply is this, Yundong? This is paint. Let's say, thi- very good. This is paint.
Pen. Pen. Pen.
Okay, very good. So what color is this paint, Yundong? What color? Its color? What color is it?
Red.
Yes, very good. It's color red. So good job. So when we say paint, so this is what we use to make to make pictures bright. Okay, so this is what we use to color the paper. So this is paint. Okay, Yundong, what is your favorite color? What's your favorite color, Yundong? Is it orange? What's your, oh, red. Red is your favorite color? What's your favorite color? You, color orange or red?
Orange.
Oh, okay. So let's say my favorite, my favorite
My favorite
color
color.
is
Orange.
very good. Is orange. Good job. So that is paint. So yes, good job. Wow, you are so good in writing. Very good, Yundong. Okay. So now let's move on to our next art supply. So this one, what art supply is this, Yundong? This is the
Green.
this is green. Very good. This is color green. So what do we call this one? This is the paper. Okay, let's see. This is the paper.
Green.
Paper is green. Very good. The paper is green. So let's say paper, paper, paper. Paper, paper,
Teacher. Teach green. Teach
teach
green.
green.
Nope.
Yes, this one. This one is green. What do we call this? This is the paper. Paper, paper, paper. Can you say paper? Paper. Let's say paper. Paper. Paper, paper, paper. Okay, so this is a paper. Now, what is the color of this paper? This. What color is this paper? It's color blue, green, red, yellow, and blue. Let's say green, red, yellow, blue. Green, red, y- yellow,
Yeah, yeah, yellow.
and blue, blue, blue.
And teacher, and teacher.
And teacher. Teacher is included in colors. Okay, so very good. Good job, Yundong. This is a paper. Next, let's go to our next art supply. Okay, this is the chalk. This is the chalk. Let's say chalk, 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 chalk. Is that Pac-Man? Pac-Man. Pac-Man. Do you know that game? Like this. Let me check. Pac-Man. This one. Do you know this game? It's Pac-Man. Yeah, wow. Wow, you know that game? It's Pac-Man. Okay, let's go back to our lesson. So let's say this one. Let's say chalk. Chalk, 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 chalk.
Talk, talk.
Okay, very good. Good job. What are the colors of this chalk? What
Ooh,
are
ooh, ooh.
what are the colors of these chalk? What are the colors?
Teacher, I'm Vietnam and the USA.
Who? You are from the USA or teacher? Teacher is from the Philippines, not from USA and Vietnam.
Vietnam and Philippines.
Yes. Yes. I live in the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes. Okay. So now let's check the colors of this chalk. Let's say pink, blue, blue,
Blue,
orange,
orange,
yellow, green, purple. Yellow, green, purple.
yellow, green, purple.
Okay, very good. Good job. So this is the chalk. So the chalk is what we use to write on the blackboard. Okay, Yundong, do you go to school? Do you go to school? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No,
Oh no, you don't go to school? You don't go to school? Really?
no,
Oh, okay. So he doesn't go
no,
now.
no,
No,
cool.
no school. Okay. So this blackboard is what we see at the school or in the school. So it is what we use to write things, and the chalk is what we use. It is like a pen, but it is a pen for the blackboard. Okay, or the chalkboard. It's what we call the chalkboard. So this is the chalk. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next school supply. Ta-da! Okay, this one. Let's say yarn. This is the yarn. This is The yarn. Yarn, yarn, yarn. This is the yarn. Let's say. Okay, very good. So now Yundong, what colors the yarn? What colors the yarn? Its color. What color? Is it color green? The yarn is color green? No. What color is the yarn? Is it color yellow? Is it color yellow? Yes or no? No, 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 no. It's color. It's color. It's color blue. Blue, blue, blue. Okay, so this is a yarn. So a yarn is what we use. Heart. Yarn is what we use for knitting or crafts. So we use it to crochet things or to build or knit things. Like other people, they do crochet with the use of yarn. Okay, so wheels on the bus. Wow, you're a great singer. Okay, so let's move on to our next art supply. Let's say this one. This this is the glue. Okay, so let's say this is the glue. This is the glue. Glue, glue, glue. Okay, one more time. Let's say glue. Glue, 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 glue. Okay, very good. You're right, glue. Good job. That is the spelling of glue. Now, can you say glue? Glue, glue, glue. Glue, glue, glue. Okay, let's say this is the glue. This is the glue. Glue. Okay. Okay, so when we say glue, so it is what we use to stick things together. Like for example, we are creating art crafts. So we need to stick papers to each other for us to build an art. So we will use a glue. Let's say glue. Glue, glue, glue. Glue, glue, glue. Okay, so very good. So now let's move on to our last art supply. This one. Tanan. Okay, Yundong. What art supply is this? What art supply? This is the okay. Let's say this is the tape. Tape. Yes, very good. Tape, tape, tape. Let's say tape, 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 tape. Okay, so this is the tape. Tape. Let's say tape, tape, tape. Can you say tape? Okay, one more time. Tape, tape. Okay, so this is a tape. Very good. So like the glue, like the glue, so the tape is what we use to keep things together in place. So for example, we wanted to place a paper, or we wanted to place a poster in our wall. So we will use tape to place it in the wall or on the wall. So this is what the tape is used for. Okay, so Yundong, what is the color of the tape? What is the color of the tape dispenser? The tape dispenser is color red. It's color red. Red, red, red. Okay, so very good. Blue? What is the spelling of blue? Is it B? Is it B-U-L-E? It's B-L, B-L-U-E. Teacher. Wow, very good. Spelling of teacher is T-E-C-H-E-R. Okay, so good job. So that is for our art supplies. So art supplies is what we use to make arts. Okay. So now let's listen to a story here, and let's answer some of the questions that we have.
Page 12. B. Listen and number. 1,
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Jay.
What is it?
It's yarn and glue.
Yarn and glue?
Yes.
2,
Look, my paper. It's great. Thank you.
3,
Teacher, your chalk.
Thank you, Carla. Is it a square?
No, it isn't. It's a circle.
4,
Is it glue?
No, it isn't. It's tape.
Okay. Paint is great.
Love, wow. Okay, so now let us answer some of the stories here. Okay, let's move on to this one. Okay, Yundong, can you circle where is the yarn and glue? Yundong? Where is the yarn and glue? Can you circle the yarn and glue? Where is the yarn and glue? Circle. Where is the yarn? Hmm, is this or is it the yarn? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. How about this one? Oh no, teacher cannot see. Okay, how about this Yundong? Is this a yarn or is it the yarn? Is it the yarn? Yes or no? This one. Is it the yarn? Is it the yarn? Is it a yarn? Yes or no?
No.
This one. No, very good. What is it, Yundong? What is it? It's a it's a
Pencil!
pencil. Later after you answer. What is it?
Pencil!
It's a pencil? Is it a pencil? No, it isn't. It's a what is it? It's a glue. Okay, one more time. Let's say it's a it's a glue. Okay, let's say it's a glue. Okay, how about this one, Yundong? What is it? What? It's a yarn. It's a yarn. Okay, very good. How about this one? What are these? Is it a notebook? Is it a notebook,
TikTok!
teacher? These are these are papers. Papers. So, yes, very good. So these are colored papers. So most papers or colored papers, so we use them in arts and crafts. How about this one, Yundong? What is the girl holding? It's a What is the girl holding? It's a chalk. It's a chalk. Okay, very good. How about this one? What shape is this? Is it a square? Is it a square? Is it a square? Yes or no? Hmm. Is it a square? Hmm. Yes or no?
Hungry, yeah?
No, it isn't. It is what?
Hungry
It,
nhìn Nguyên quá vậy? Con gì vậy? Con gì vậy?
Okay, let's say it's no, it isn't.
Con
It
gì vậy?
is a circle. It is a circle. Okay. So yun dong. So we will end our class here. And we will just continue this class next Sunday, okay? Okay. So since I think it's already 7:30. Okay. Okay, yun daw. So make sure to listen to teacher next time, okay? So I will be over.
Teacher, see you again.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Yundong. Listen to teacher next time, okay? Bye-bye.